Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by confirming Capcut is updated and compatible with your device. This prevents many import errors. Next, inspect the file. Capcut accepts MP4, MOV, PNG, JPG, so convert other formats to a supported one. While you're at it, free up storage space and ensure Capcut has photo and file permissions in settings so it can access media. Once done, relaunch the app and try importing the file again to verify the initial fixes took effect. If basic checks fail, you need to address codecs and storage locations. Use Handbrake or a simple Remux tool to convert videos to H.264 MP4 so Capcut can decode them. This resolves most silent failures. If your files are on an SD card or external drive, move them to internal storage because permission limits often block imports. Also clear Capcut's cache and app settings, and if necessary, reinstall the app to remove corrupted configs. Then try the import again. To finish, verify file names. Remove emojis, long names, or unusual symbols because Capcut can reject them. Then test importing a small, known good sample file. This isolates whether the problem is the app or your media. If the sample imports, adjust your original file accordingly. Make sure to reboot your device after making changes so system permissions and caches reset. If issues persist, contact support with device model, Capcut version, and a short sample file for faster diagnosis.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.